sis? It's your Queen Jazz, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna give you 3 easy steps on how to style neon colors, baby. That's what I said, neon colors. So if you're something like me and you might have a few neon colors in your closet, but it's like, what can I put with it? What can I style with it? Then don't fret, because I'm gonna show you how to spice up the swag, the neon swag. But first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn your notification bell on, okay? Show the channel some love. Don't worry, I'll wait.